traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be reacting on the last day of the week of the budget. That would be the 5th of February 2021. We will also be talking about how we made 82K today in 2 different sessions and much more about this. So before we proceed, I want you to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, like the video and share it with your friends who are making losses in the market so that they can join our live trading forum on www.rltrgroup.com and start making the same amount of money that I'm making on a daily basis by just copying my trades. So before we proceed, let's quickly go ahead and look at the order book. The order book has a clean buy and a sell over here. Our first position was in a loss, which was somewhere around a P at 240, which we had booked at 161. So let me just tell you what had happened. So over here, we initiated a P trade at this zone. We were waiting for an interaction of that particular breakout to happen at the bottom side. But what then happened was it came here, it flipped. So as soon as it flipped, I had told my participants to immediately switch strikes and make those changes. And there you go. This is the flight of the heaven. So our position that we took over here for 500 quantities, we booked it at 350, but this thing flew to 1,000 points. Now, am I greedy? No, absolutely not. I'm here for my targets. I want to be respectful, committed, and consistent. That's what it is. So I ended my day, the first half at 30K and the second piece came over here. So over here, we looked at this particular point that we will have a hero zero situation. So at this moment, I did tell my participants to go ahead and initiate a buy on a particular option for 1,250 quantity at somewhere around 37. We averaged it around 21 and that option flew over here on this candle, give us our targets of 99. And then the last one, we were just joking and we took that particular position at 14K loss, but we were in a handsome decent amount of money. So I want you to go ahead and visit okay, let me correct it again. So www.rltrgroup.com and join us for the live trading sessions to make similar profits, and also join our Telegram group so that you can see how we made this with all the affection. So let's go ahead and see what the market is going to do tomorrow. The markets are going to be quite simple right now. We are in an ultra bullish mode. Until there is a bad news, we are going to keep crossing highs. But remember, guys, like I told you, always keep a close eye on the highs of the previous day. Those are the ones which are giving you some clear, crisp, and decent amount of money on an intraday basis. And if you're able to hold the position, giving you more. So right now, I'm thinking that we are going to touch the round level of 36,000 pretty soon after it takes out the high of our current day, and tomorrow being the last day of the budget week, we might see a rally or a correction. Whatever happens, I'm here to go ahead and assist you. So I'm more concentrating on the CE side. I will not be bothered about PE until and unless I see a bad news. And when it comes across, I'll be the first one to action that particular PE. Until then, I want you guys to keep your eyes open, be a bull, and wait for your levels and try to book them as and when they come. Okay, so thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day with your loved ones. We'll see you tomorrow with another video. Jai Hind, take care, have a good day. Bye-bye.